Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, if you're new here, I want to ask you to subscribe and be a part of our YouTube family. We have various different items that come out on a regular basis, including collaborations, giveaways. We have all kinds of boxes, lifestyle, travel, beauty. We have wellness boxes. We have all kinds of informative type boxes and our fun boxes, even like Beachly, and we have Curator. Those are fashion style house boxes and they are very interesting. And if you're interested in knowing what those top boxes have inside, well, sign up. And like I said, we have lots of collaborations and giveaways, and we even have Stickii. That's right, today we're going to be looking at Stickii. Stickii is a monthly subscription where you can get stickers. Yeah, just like the name, Stickii. And it's only $12 a month for a style packet. So like they have 3 styles. They have cute, they have pop, and they have vintage. And you can choose which style you want, and you can purchase each style at $12 each. I just choose one and I go back and forth. And I'm thinking on this one I picked the vintage. So let's see what we have this month for vintage. It always comes in a sleeve like this, which is excellent. And then you have all your stickers that are down in there. I've taken them out. And again, this is $12 a month. And on this side, they have little pockets that you have, like these are corner tabs, like when you're doing crafting and you want to put, like, say you're into apothecary. You can put that in your corners of that page. It looks like we have some dried looking flower stickers that are translucent. And down here on the bottom, it looks like we have like note cards. And these are vintage style note cards. You could also use them for recipes, but you could also decorate them up and send them out to your friends. And they're individual. And they're nice little index cards, but they looked antique looking. And that's how they look on the back. So they're lined on the front, and you can get those all decorated out. Use them in your crafting and in your journals. And then you can just put it back in your sleeve here. They also have a binder that you can get that's $16, and you can fit all your Stickii in your binder. And I have one of those, and I've shown it on previous videos. Now these are my vintage stickers this month. We have this here, so if you're putting things together, I guess mixing your potions, so to speak, we have these here. So very interesting. We have these. We have these nice little ones. After you get your little flowers and your herbs growing, then you have them in your little pots. And then we have our antique look here for preparing things and for storing things. So very cute stickers. These are different. And then we have these. And these got a little bit of shine to them, but they're kind of translucent. Different types of vases, it looks like. And then of course we have this little memento where you can make your little cards like I was showing you earlier, and it'd be the perfect size just to fit down in there. Now Stickii is great for anyone who loves stickers. It's great for you if you're journaling, if you do crafting. There's just so many things that you could do with Stickii, and I really like my stickers. They have different kinds each month, and this is the vintage. So if you like vintage, you would love this. And this, like I said, they have cute and pop. So they have several styles to choose from, and you can change your style each month if you want to. And I do that. I've gotten cute, I've gotten vintage a couple of times. I have not gotten pop yet, so I may have to choose one of them so y'all can see what that looks like. But this is just a cute little sticker club, very affordable. And I have a coupon down in my description where you can save $5 off your first Stickii package. And you get the sleeve, and you get the additional stickers on this side. And like I said, this can go into a handy dandy little binder that they also sell on their site for $16. Do you have a favorite of these stickers? I really think my favorite's going to be this one right here. Let me pull it out. This one here is my favorite. I love that. I think that is so cool. Of course, they're all nice. This is the binder that you can get from Stickii. And by the time you ship it, it's probably around $20. But as you can see, I've already got me a collection going here, and I just put in my stickers. And you can put in all of them. You can add other stickers to it. I put stickers on the inside sleeve here and on the back side. And then on this one, I'll just drop this one in here, and I'll have my vintage style for I just thought I would show you, just in case you wanted to see what the binder is. It is clear, so you can see what's on the inside or the outside, and you know that it's all your stickers. So, and it's just real easy to keep up with them. And that's what I have today for Stickii. And I really like this subscription. It's fun decorating and using it for journals and your calendars and different things. So if you like Stickii, then this is something for you, and I would highly recommend it. Now, while we're on here today, I want to let you know I've got a little bit of friend mail, and I think I'm going to share it with y'all today. I got 2 more packages from Dream Big Productions Plush Bat Fan, and this here came in this flat envelope, and let's see what we have in here. If you don't know Big Dream Productions Plush Bat Fan, he has a channel, and you just go right on over there and check him out. He does video games. I think some of them are retro. They play music. They're not awfully long, so you can watch several. And it looks like he's given me, here is a stack of 10 quadrillion, and he wrote it down, dollar bills, pretend play money for yours to keep as a souvenir from Dream Big Productions Plush Bat Fan. Oh wow, how fun. Now, I don't know if y'all remember, he sent me thousands of dollars in play money. I think that was one of my first gifts that I got from him. But this is 10 quadrillion, he says. And it's in, I don't know if that's China or what kind of money, Korean money that is. But I have that for my souvenir. That is so cool. And I am a 10-quillionaire. All right, thank you very much. That is so sweet. He finds the most unique things to send out. Now, in addition to that, I got another package from him, and it came in this box. And let's see what we have in here. He's so generous. Now, he sends stuff to a lot of channels, not just mine. So we're talking about, you know, various channels. So I'm sure you've heard of him. If you haven't, I would just recommend that you go and check him out. But inside this box, we have paper. So we're going to get this all out. And inside here, I don't know that you could see anything. I was trying to give you a sneaky peeky, but I'm just going to pull it out. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, look, I love this. This is so cute. Let me find my note. He always sends us a handwritten note. It says, Jackie Russell, inside this package is a talking, singing elephant toy made by Gund for yours to keep as a souvenir. Have a wonderful month of March from Dream Big Productions, Plush Bat Fan, March 17th. So he sent this out on St. Patty's Day. Let me see if I can get this to play. It may need batteries. I wonder if it played along the way. I may have to put batteries in it to get it to work. Yeah, I think I am. I'm not getting any music. I turned it on, and you never know. It might have turned on during travel, and it might have burned up the batteries, because he usually has it set to go. But in this case, I'm going to have to put in some batteries. Well, that is just adorable, Plush Bat Fan. I love it. I love it. It's so soft and cuddly, and I can't wait to hear what it sings and plays. And I will have to get some batteries. I looked and I don't have any, so I will have to maybe bring this back and let y'all hear what it sounds like at another date. But as for today, this is what I got from Big Dream Productions Plush Bat Fan. I got this cute little adorable elephant that is going to sing and play music. I have for a souvenir, and I am a 10 quinjillionaire. I can't even say it, but I've got $10 quinjillion to play with from the plush bat fan. So that is just excellent. And of course we had our sticky, so I have all my little stickers. And as for today with Stickii and Plush Bat Fan Dream Big Productions, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.